How did you manage your self-care, particularly when you were actually in Afghanistan and places like that, where it might have been super busy, super hectic? It's not like you can just tap out for a while, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, great question. So I was the chaplain on the ground so let's say Afghanistan, that I would regularly stay in contact with, as in every afternoon or evening. I'd get the sat phone and debrief back to them.
Great.
So I wasn't carrying the weight of it all. The other thing is being honest. If I'm struggling, actually being honest and transparent, not trying to hide it, forming those really good connections with those that you trust. So one of my best mates in Afghanistan, and we're still great mates to today, actually, in the night or whenever we could, sometimes it was early hours of the morning, depending on what was happening, and we just chat with each other.